heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can know it?
Okay, so y'all, good morning. Today is Monday and we are finally back in person with classes. So yeah, I'm getting ready to head out. It's 10:43. My class is at 11, so they give me just enough time to make it. Do I need this charger? I'm just gonna take it with this. But anyways, y'all, back to what I was saying. So it's Monday, we back in class, in person. So I'm just to head to campus. My first class is physics. So I have that, and I have chemistry later today. And then I'm done for today. I just got 2 classes today. Today is just 2 classes. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Start with okay, y'all. Coffee is ready. It's time to walk out the door. But no, for real. Let me tell y'all about yesterday. So yesterday, y'all, no, not yesterday, Saturday, when my camera been broke. I been told y'all that the camera I was vlogging on was broke. It was hanging on by a thread, and I told y'all I was gonna ride it till the wheels fall off, like literally. And basically, I guess it was just worn out, the camera, like, cause I was at my hair appointment. I didn't even know it got that bad. I was at my hair appointment and I was setting up to record, cause y'all know I be recording when I get my wig installs. And yeah, and I'm sitting here in a chair, and tell me why I look at the camera and the screen, the little flip screen, it was broke, like completely broke. Like the viewfinder was broke. So that just had me like what's going on? I got too much going on. I got too much in my hands, but I just want to talk to y'all right quick before class. But y'all like my hair? It's got like. But anyways, y'all, I be getting sidetracked. So given that the camera was broke, I had to go after my appointment to go buy a brand new camera. So this camera is the G7 Mark III. And it was $900 when it was $750, and then I put a 2-year warranty on it because after 2 years I'm getting a new camera. So yeah, so that really like messed me up. Not messed me up, but bummed me out because I really like feel like paying $900 for a new camera right now. So, but I like the quality of it. I like it. So whatever. But anyway, y'all, did I tell y'all, like, I was supposed to tell the other vlog, but I didn't tell y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm finally in the car, fixing to head to class. I really lost my train of thought, but yeah, long story short, I ended up having to get a new camera, and I think I was finna tell y'all that, like, last semester, your girl came out with a 4.0, all A's, like, yeah. The organic chemistry lab had me stressing about my organic chemistry grade because even though I had an A in the class, the lab, like, the professor, it was just too much going on with him. But I'm gonna do the same thing this semester. I'm gonna stay on him because certain professors, y'all, you have to stay on them because they'll slack up and they won't really care. Like, and what they don't know is that when they slack and when they don't do their job efficiently all the way, that messes with your grade. And by efficiently, I mean, like, if you have assignments and you know, like, you're using an online platform, you need to make sure that your answers, when they go through the system, they're correct. so that students don't get marked for, you know, technicalities on your end. But anyways, I am getting a 4.0, so that made me happy for my break. Made me even more happier, because I was already happy to be on break. Like, I just needed a break. But right now, we just going back there in person, so we're not, yeah, we're just going back in person, so we're not working in the lab right away. But whenever we do, y'all be the first to know, because this is the CHEM Chronicles series. So this is more like major related, school related, and not more so personal life. My personal life is more so included in the HBCU vlog. So if you're new to this channel and you're just not watching this series, go check out my HBCU vlogs if you want to, you know, glimpse of my personal life. But this is more so, you know, based around academics and stuff. So I have 2 classes today, and today I'm going to start working on my physics lab report. This due Thursday, and I need to turn in this math assignment that I did. But anywho, y'all, I've been talking enough, and I'm trying to get to class. So once I'm done with class, I'm gonna talk to y'all then. Hey, can you explain the direction thing part again?
Okay, so let's see, these 2 are fixed, right? This one can just slide back and forth a little bit. We don't care how these 2 interact with each other, but that's not what we're asking for, right? You want to know the total force on Q3. So if Q2 weren't here, how would Q1 affect Q3?
Over the weekend, like, I was watching some videos. So it said, you know how you said like charges repel and the other ones they attract. So I thought, like, since that was positive and the other was negative, it would go towards the right because it's like attracted to it.
Right, but we aren't looking at the force on this one. We're looking at the force on this one. If we said what's the force on Q1 due to Q3, it would move to the right. We want to know the force on Q3 due to Q1. Magnitude would be what? How will we find it?
Hey y'all, I had to turn this way because there's no light this way. But I'm in my chemistry class. It starts at 1 o'clock. It's 12:05, so it's cold, and I don't be feeling like doing that walking back and forth. So I just normally chill in his class before, since there's no teacher in here. So let me show y'all. I'm working on this calculus assignment that's due today at 5 p.m. I've had this done for like for more than a couple of days, but I'm just going back over this question because it's really tricky. So this right here, I'm really trying. So I'm probably gonna watch a YouTube video on it, on some more problems, to see if I'm doing the process right. But other than that, yeah. And then today after class, I need to go by the post office. I need to go to the store to buy some tape measure because I have a new brand deal I'm supposed to be doing, but I need to get my waist size. So I need to go get a tape measure because I don't know my waist size. So and then I need to make sure I got something professional to wear because I do have a business meeting tomorrow afternoon that I have to do online. So yeah, that's really it. I might go work out tomorrow, or I might not. I might just work out Thursday because I get my hair did Friday. So I'm not trying to have this looking a mess, because I know if I go box, this is gonna be a mess. And I like my hair, like, it's really cute. So I'm gonna just chill. I'm just chill. Actually, y'all, before I go, okay, I'm gonna just try to explain this question because this is like my 3rd time working out this question, and I keep finding something wrong with my answer. At first, you know, I was just, it's due at 5 p.m. and me personally, you know, I be trying to get the best grade I can. So I just kept going over, and I'm like, okay, I see I missed a spot. So I'm just gonna talk through it. Okay, so basically we're using the chain rule with a tree diagram. I don't really want to get into all of this, but basically we're using dw over d of x. But I'm going to explain, I guess, how to go through it. So basically the teacher, he taught us how to know you use the tree diagram. So basically you multiply dw times the d of x times the d of t. Then you multiply the d of y times the d of t for dy. Then you multiply the dz times the dt for dz. And basically you get this formula right here. So each one is being multiplied and then they're added together. And so you're basically taking the derivative of each one. That's what the d stands for, the derivative. So basically, okay, so first we have to take the derivative of dw. And so d of w is this formula right here, not formula, but this equation right here. So we have 2x squared z plus 3xy. So since we're in terms of x, we want to take the derivative of x. So 2 times 2 would be 4, and then we have to subtract 1 from the exponent. So then it would be 4x z, and then any other variable you treat as a constant. So meaning that if you treat it as a constant, whatever it is, it stays exactly the same. You don't do nothing to it. So that'll make this right here 4xz. But then I just realized, you see how after that I don't have anything else dealing with x, but I forgot to find the derivative of this one. So the derivative of this one, since the exponent is 1, so basically you multiply the exponent by the main number. So 1 times 3, you get 3, and you have to subtract 1 from the exponent. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. So the derivative of that would just be 3, and since we have y, another variable, we have to treat it as a constant, so it'll be 3y. So basically I should have put this right here after this one, but I didn't. I went ahead and went from the dw to the dt, so I have to go back and include that into the answer, because I'm just sitting here back, I'm sitting here looking like I've used each one of these variables except for y. So I'm like, let me go back and look. So yeah, I'm fixing to rework this out, but I just want to go through that. But once I'm finished rewriting everything out, I'm gonna explain it. Okay, so I'm going to move this part up because I need more paper space. So I'm just going to move that to right there. So now I'm going to begin rewriting. So basically this is going to be, when we use this, it's going to be, go back up, 4x times z times 3y times 4t. And that was really my only problem, but you know that still affects the overall answer. So plus 3x times -4, and then it's plus 2x squared times 3. My bad, y'all, if I'm talking a little too fast, because I mean this is a very tedious problem, and I'm not trying to make, you know, too much. I'm not trying to take too much time on this, you know, part right here. But anywho, so first of all, let me go back and check over the other ones. So if we're taking a derivative of y, this right here has no y in the portion right here, so you would treat this as 0. You wouldn't include that. So this one has y included, so the derivative of y would be 1, because y, you know, it's not showing the 1, but we all know when it's an exponent, it's a 1. So 1 times y would be 1, and then you have to subtract 1 from the exponent, so 1 minus 1 would be 0. So that'll make this derivative 1. And so 3x, we would treat this as a constant because it's not a part of y. Well, it's not a y variable. So anything that's not a y variable, you treat it as a constant. So therefore you get 3x for that. And then we want to take the dy dt, and for what it means by dy dt, it wants the value of y in terms of t, which is over here we have 3 minus 4t. So we have to take the derivative of -4t, which would just be -4, and then 3 has no t variable, so we treat it as a constant. But since it's not included in this, we can just, it's going to be 0 because it's not included. So that's why we just have -4 right here. And then in terms of z, we have a z right here, but we don't have a z right here. So we keep x as a constant, so it's going to be 2x squared, because like I said, if it's not z, we're not going to do nothing to it. And so the derivative of z would be 1. So that's why we have 2x squared right here. Now you want to take the dz dt, and so the derivative of z would be just 3, and we're just going to ignore the -1 because like I said, it's a constant, so it'll be 0. So that's why we just have 3 right here. So now I need to go through and basically replace everything. So your final answer, he wants it in terms of t. So my final answer were in terms of t. However, you know, I was missing a part, so now I have to start over and we work it out. This is going to be so long, but whatever. Okay, so 4x, so that means we're going to do 4 times the value of x. The value of x is 2t squared, so that's going to be 4 times 2t squared times the value of z. The value of z is 3t minus 1, so then we're going to do 3t minus 1. Ooh, that's not an exponent. 3t minus 1 times 3y. So 3 times y is 3 minus 4t. So hold on. Hey girl. So then it's going to be 3 times y is 3 minus 4t. So 3 minus 4t. Well, no, I'm going to write 4t minus 3. Negative 4t plus 3. Negative 4t plus 3. Alright, then times 4t, since it's already in terms of t, plus now 3x times negative 4, that'll give you negative 12x. Yeah, negative 12x, but since we're writing in terms of t, it'll be negative 12 times 2t squared. Then let me get rid of that plus, because we can just make that minus 12 times 2t squared. Minus 12 times 2t squared. Then we have 2x squared, right in terms of t. That would be 2 times 2t squared. And then, actually, no, because we need to combine that. So then 3 times 2, that'll be 6x squared. So no, that'll be 6 times x 2t squared. Now you want to combine. This was a part of the old answer. You see how my answer is kind of the same, however, it now has the 3 times negative 4t plus 3 portion included. So I'm going to erase this. Okay, now I'm going to combine like terms. So 4 times 2t squared, that'll be 8t squared. 8t squared times 3t minus 1 times 3 minus 4t will give you negative 12t. Negative 12t plus, yeah, 3 times negative 12t plus 9 times 4t. Then combine like times with that, that'll be negative, minus 24t squared. And then that'll be plus 12t squared. Now that we have that, we can erase this. Now you want to combine like terms again. 8t squared times 3t will give you 24t squared. No, it's going to be t cubed because the exponents are added. So 24t cubed, 8t squared, going to be minus 8t squared. Because 8t squared distributes to the negative 1. Then we have 24t cubed times negative 12t. Hold on. Okay, so since we multiply these two together, I'm going to multiply this. I'll multiply this one by this one. So negative 12t times 4t will give you negative 48t squared times negative 48 t squared, and then you'll get plus 4 times 9, that'll be 36t, minus 24t squared plus 24t to the 4th. Okay, I did it wrong again. Like, this is calculus, is nothing to play with anyway. So instead of, because I was gonna multiply these two, but I'm like, these numbers are way too big, so I forgot to put a plus sign right here instead of being multiplied by each other. So now I have to go back and do that, and I really don't feel like talking about that, so I'm gonna just show y'all the final answer. Okay, now I finally think I have the right answer. So this is the new answer. This is my previous answer before I went back. So I had the 120t to the 4th power and the negative 32t cubed, but I didn't have these two portions in this answer, which came from the addition of the 3y, because instead I was multiplying it, but I'm supposed to add it. So this is my final answer. I'm just going to erase this. So if that's not right, then it's just in God's hands at this point, because I done redid this problem like 5 times.
And then the groups on it are what? Apple. So what is it? It's over here. And you can, under the same conditions, you can add sodium hydroxide. Okay? And what can happen is the bromine can come off and hydrogen can come off, and you can get a product, a substitution product. This is elimination product.
Okay, so y'all, I'm out of class. I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna go in here and try to get some tape measure. But y'all, this the ghetto Walmart. This the MLK Walmart, and they probably not even gonna have it because they don't never have nothing. Like, I don't get what they're good for. Anywho, I'm gonna see what they got in here. And when I call it ghetto, it's not just because like it's in the ghetto, but it's just because I just don't like the setup. Like, it's just stuff be everywhere. Like, it's just like the setup just doesn't make sense. Like, it really don't. But because if you go into a normal Walmart, but then when you come into this Walmart, you'd be like, okay, what is going on? I'm over here with the tape at. I need some tape measure. Not the damn tape. I need to go where the clothing stuff at, like the sewing machines and stuff, because like the stuff that's used to make clothes, like that seems like it'll be somewhere over here, because when you make clothes, you gotta measure the stuff. And what is this? Electric? Oh no, that's elastic. I'm tripping. Here we go. Tape measure. See? 147. Found it. Boom. And we finna be out of here. Okay, so hey y'all, I am back home. So now, first of all, let me tell y'all what I did. So last time I talked to y'all, y'all saw me at Walmart. So I went to Walmart and got the tape measure so I can get my waist size. So that's what I'm finna do. But before I do that, I want to show y'all this blazer I got, because y'all know I didn't really have nothing. I mean, I had something professional, but it's just not what I wanted. So I went to Ross. Go to Ross. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this was a rare find, because like where I went to, the location I went to, it was they didn't really have a lot of, you know, business casual stuff. So I just got this blazer, and I'm gonna wear it with some black business pants and a white undershirt. Like, y'all, minus the chain, of course, but don't this look cute? Now, don't this look cute? You know, it might not fit, you know, but it fit just right, actually, because I don't feel like they're supposed to be tight, and it's not too baggy and too big on me, so I like it. I need some pearls. That's what I need to get. I need to buy some pearls, because pearls is what you wear for business stuff, and I don't have no pearls. I just got chains. So, you know, that's a part of like growing up with life, maturing, you know, expanding your, you know, your style. So I'm gonna buy me some pearls one day, but it won't be today. And let me tell you, so then I also went to the post office. And y'all know how I'm always telling y'all the post office, the line be long. Y'all, I got there, the line was all the way to the back of the building. And I said no. And you know, I got out of class like 2 something, so by the time I got over there, it was like 3 o'clock ish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the post office tomorrow after class, because the post office open at 9 a.m. and I get out of class at my calculus. I have 8 a.m. on campus, so by the time I get out of class and head there, it ain't gonna be no long line like that. So that's what I'm gonna just do, cause ain't no way I'm not gonna stand there all day. So yeah, what y'all think? I like it. It's cute. I'm just have to iron it, of course, cause I ain't finna have it wrinkled. But y'all get what I'm saying? You get the drip. Yeah. So that's what I bought, and it was $15.99. So yeah, I need that for my business meeting that I got. And this gotta send in my waist size, and I also so for it's a brand deal. However, you know, I told them that I read the contract over the weekend and get back to them with my waist size and stuff, but I'm gonna just tell them I need them correct part of the terms before I sign it and stuff. So let's see. But so after I finish taking my waist size, I'm gonna go wash these dishes in the kitchen and sweep and mop, because I really need these floors mopped. I do not like the way these floors look, like there's some spots on them. Like, no. Yeah, so let's go wash these dishes. And well, I'm gonna do all that, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all later, because I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get started on some homework after that, after I had a chance to, you know, rest and relax. And I might go work out downstairs, because, you know, I don't want to go boxing, because like boxing, I get to sweating. Like, I actually be active when I'm actually, you know, in the gym. But when I'm at the gym at home, you know, I sweat a little bit, but I don't be sweating bullets like I'm doing from boxing. Because boxing, that's a workout. That's the workout. Like, I was like, because, you know, I haven't been as consistent, and, you know, I just went back like last week, and y'all, I was so out of breath, and like my wrist was hurting, my whole body was hurting more. My wrist was hurting more so because I was punching a bag real hard, and I didn't think I wrapped my hands well enough. So like my wrist was sore for a couple of days. Like, my whole body was sore for a couple of days. You know how it is when you ain't worked out in a minute, and you go work out and you go home. Yeah, so I was real sore. But anywho, let me go wash these dishes, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later today when I'm getting ready to start all this homework.
Stop staring at those ocean eyes, burning cities and napalm skies, 15 flares inside those ocean eyes, your ocean eyes on fire. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared.
Hey y'all, I'm back. So I've spent the past like 2 hours cleaning up. Like, I wasn't even trying to clean this much, to be honest, but I just kept going. So I ended up washing the dishes, taking the trash out, sweeping, mopping, cleaning the, you know, counters and the refrigerator. Then I did my bathroom, cleaned the toilet, the sink, the sprayed the mirror, did the tub. So all that is done. So I'm fixing to I ain't really had time to chill yet, but I'm gonna chill. I want to go ahead and watch this lecture video for calculus that I was supposed to watch, because we have an in-person. We're in person now, so we have in-person at 8 a.m. tomorrow, and that's my only class tomorrow. So after 8 a.m. I'm gonna go to class, and I'm gonna come back home and knock out. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let's just hope I make it there. Let's just hope. Hey, what my grandma say, if God's will, I'm gonna make it, you know? Because what's that I hate when my camera going out of focus. Like, get it together. Anywho, what's that meme with that lady? She was like, if God don't do it, it just won't get done. And that's all I'm saying. So, anywho, I'm fixing to watch this lecture for calculus.
I am now going to get section 5 of chapter 14 started. So I'm going to make a few introductory remarks about what we're going to be doing and show some examples. And then I'm going to go through 3 exercises, and then I will put up some for you to practice in Canvas. A function of 2 variables and a function of 3 variables.
Hey y'all, it is like, I'm finna get ready to go to bed, but like, focus, okay? But anywho, it's 11:57. I basically finished taking the notes and worked on a little bit of the lab report. I didn't get a chance to work on the study guide. However, Tuesday I only have 8 a.m. tomorrow, so I will be trying to be very productive tomorrow. Like, I have an 8 a.m. so after that I said I'm gonna go to the post office. Then I think I said I'm gonna come home, might work out, or if I just need some rest, I'm gonna just go back to sleep for a little while. But I really don't want to go back to sleep, because like, I feel like when you wake up early in the day, you need to be productive for as many hours as you can, and then take a nap. Don't just take a nap just because you feel like you're tired. Like, you know, you gotta push yourself through that, I feel like, because, you know. Anyway, so yeah, work on the study guide tomorrow, my quizzes for physics, and do the physics lab report. Yeah, so those are 3 things I think I'm gonna work on tomorrow. And then I need to set up my aisle for my organic chemistry, but like the access code they gave me is like, it's just not working for some reason, but I can't explain it. Anywho, let me show y'all the notes that I did, and then I'm gonna just call it a night. You feel me? So I'm gonna go to calculus 3 lecture notes, zoom in, focus, if it want to focus. Anywho, y'all, so these are all the lecture notes we've had so far since we started class, which was the 25th. So we've had 4 lectures. So this is the one from today. It was 14.5. If you heard from the video, he went over gradient, which still dealing with, you know, partial derivatives. Then he went over magnitude with vectors and dot product, and also how to normalize a vector. So that was what, you know, short, well, not short, well, yeah, short, because it was 25 minutes. But anywho, this is the end, just those notes. But I try to keep my notes like kind of organized and, you know, understandable, you know, for like when I'm looking back on a in order to complete an assignment. Like today, for assignment 1, this was due at 5 p.m. that I turned in. The one I was working on earlier, I turned it in. Like, y'all, this thing racked my brain. Like, literally, y'all saw. Like, I kept reviewing this problem. I don't even want to look at it no more. So we just gonna click off of that. So yeah, after a long day of hard work, you gotta slam your y'all, I'm trying to get used to this new camera, so it's like it keeps going in and out of focus, which I don't get. I knew. But yeah, after a long day of work, you gotta slam your laptop and your iPad closed like that. Like, I mean, business. I don't want to see you for the rest of the night. Good night, y'all. Good morning. Yes, let me get a tall vanilla iced coffee with extra cream and classic. Yes. Okay, y'all. Good morning. So today is Tuesday. I have calculus at 8 a.m. It's 7:55. I just stopped by Starbucks and got me a tall iced coffee, you know, to try to get me through these next couple of hours. Because my plan today is after class to go to the post office, go talk to them about my next payment for my P.O. box, because they don't answer the phone and them lines be too long. So I just decided to come in the morning. Well, I know they're gonna be online. I hope they're not gonna be online at 9 a.m. in the morning. But after that, then I'm gonna go to the library from like probably 10 to 12 or 10 to 1 and work for like 2-3 hours, and then go home, take a nap, and then go home and start getting ready for this business meeting I have later with this brand. So yeah, that's what I really have planned today. And then after that, you know, after the meeting, then, you know, chill, and then, you know, find time to work on a little bit more homework tonight. And then that's gonna be my Tuesday. Then Wednesday is when I have recitation that y'all normally see. You know, I go with my chemistry professor. Well, he doesn't normally teach recitation and be his graduate students, but yeah, I have a new TA this semester. The one I had last semester, he's now working on Fridays. Well, teaching on Fridays. So it just gotta be so dark. Anywho, yeah, so I'm on the way to class, so maybe I'll talk to y'all during class, maybe not. This is my first time in his class, and what in the world is going on? What to say? But yeah, this is my first time like in person with him, so I think I want to just get a feel of the environment and all this and that. But it don't matter to me regardless. I don't mind vlogging, but you know, math is different. Like certain subjects you just know to test your limit with. Like certain subjects you just know, like, hey, I gotta pay more attention to this, you know. Okay, y'all, I'm at the post office, and lucky me, smart me, I mean, there's no line. Because when I tell y'all, yesterday the line was from here all the way to back here, and you thought I was gonna stand in that? No, I was not. So I'm gonna go in here, handle my business right quick. I'm finishing up at the library. I'm gonna get ready to go home and chill. But I'm gonna show y'all what I've been working on. I've been working on this because I am the social media manager for Black Women in Medicine. So like I'm kind of responsible, I'm responsible for making the social media posts. Like this is what I made for the informational because we're taking new members. So I had to create an informational post. I created this, and then what I just showed y'all, I had to redo it because it wasn't the right like this spot right here that you see, it was basically not an Instagram format. So I just tried to add some stuff up here to just make it look like it all fit. So this is the actual finished product that I'm going to send out to get approved. So that's that. And I've been working on my physics quizzes. I did two physics quizzes, and I haven't worked on the physics lab report, but I want to finish that tonight. And I still haven't started on the study guide, but he said it's gonna be a minute from now, but still I'm probably just do like 2 or 3 questions and then work on the lab report tonight after the meeting. So anyway, I'm fixing to head home, and when I have time after I done chilled, I'm gonna talk to y'all then. Okay, so hey y'all, I'm back. So this is what I got going on, you know, a little something. It can be definitely taken down some, like, you know, altered and whatnot, but it still, I feel like it fit good. So I'm fixing to do my lip combo so I can get ready to get on this Zoom in a few minutes. Y'all know the routine. Gotta have the lip combo. But anywho, y'all, so after this meeting, I'm gonna talk to y'all. Maybe not, but I know I need to work on this lab report, so I'll be working on that for the night. Tomorrow y'all get some more footage with, you know, recitation and all that. And my organic chem lab is not in person yet. Our lab will be in person, I think, the next lab, but the physics lab is in person. So that one is Thursday. So I think I'm gonna wrap this up either Thursday, because Friday is the same classes, and yeah, so I think I'm gonna wrap this up on Thursday. Gave y'all a good little glimpse into my week. I feel like I've been feeling like I'm getting back in my groove, you know, like I'm getting back to myself, not myself, but like my staying busy routine, you know, being on top of things. But anywho, how'd I look, y'all? Y'all like it? I'm liking it. I'm loving it. Yeah, me too. So anywho, gotta go. I will talk to y'all after. Hey guys, I'm back from the meeting. So I'm fixing to get ready to wind down. I am tired. I've been up since 7 a.m. this morning. I have not had a nap, and I'm hungry. So you know how they go. Okay, so y'all, good night. I am done washing my face. My skin is clean, so I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. So I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow, probably before class, after class, I don't know.
Is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Stop the track, let me stay fast. I told you give me a minute and I'll be right back. 50 million around the world and they said that I couldn't get. I done got so sick and filthy with binges I can't spit. How you gonna be talking shit? Shout it, you just got up here. How you gon' hold up a belt when we know you ain't even with it? I know you read the paper, the one that they call a queen. Every radio around the world know me 'cause that's where I bleed. Diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler.
Wait, so the on page.
Yeah.
So what happens to the K?
Sorry?
What happens to the K?
It will most of the time form salt with the, so it becomes potassium chloride, just like sodium chloride. That's what's going to happen.
So the ending product would be basically.
So the end product will be these two.
So the base will always like leave and form its own.
We said nucleophile, so they love the nuclear. That's why they attack it. So nucleophile means love the nuclear. That's why the base always lies. It has a negative charge and it's looking for positive charge, which is this place. That's why they call it nucleophile.
Okay, so hey y'all, I'm out of class. Done with class for the day, y'all. I'm so tired. But I was gonna work out this afternoon, but Destiny is home for the day, so she said she was gonna come see me for a while, hang out. But I do want to work out tomorrow. No, I'm gonna have to do it Friday because I have another meeting Thursday, so I'm gonna be busy Thursday that I have to get ready for. So, anywho, today basically y'all saw me going to class. We had quiz in chemistry. It was pretty easy. I understood it, and he let us use our notes. But he can't lenient because last semester he didn't let us use our notes, but he let us use our notes today. But anywho, yeah. Then just left for recitation, worked on a few questions. So now I'm gonna get ready to head home and relax and finish this lab report this afternoon or tonight because it's due tomorrow at 11:59. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later after I done rested because I just need to rest. Like, I'm tired.
I'm so into you, I can barely breathe. And all I wanna do is to fall in deep. Look closer, closer now, till we cross the line.
addition, we still have a pronoun generator here, so you have a pronoun in your system. This actually grab a word. So once you grab the word, so you see right now, it's the time we're going to see that. You see, once you have this one here, you're going to break this form.
Okay, so hey y'all, back home earlier. Last time I talked to y'all, I think I was on campus, but anyway, basically ended up going to try this Korean barbecue place. I never ate there, but I always seen it on TikTok, and it was good, and it was all you can eat for $30. Definitely going back. But I came home and I did my lab. I didn't know the physics lab report. He said he was going to extend because he missed our class, but he didn't miss his Tuesday class, but he never uploaded the recording of the lab, and he never specified which online simulator. So I asked him could he extend it, and he said okay. So I'm not working on that one, but I did my lab report for organic chemistry. So tomorrow I just got to do the pre-lab for Friday lab. But anywho, I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. Tomorrow I have 8 a.m. and I have, well, my lab tomorrow for physics is now online because he did say he caught COVID. So I'm gonna wrap this vlog up tonight because I was gonna keep it going till tomorrow, but I have an 8 a.m. for calculus, in which it's 8 a.m. I don't feel like vlogging 8 a.m. tomorrow, and my class tomorrow is online. So I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. Make sure y'all tune in because this will be episode 3 of the CHEM Chronicles. So make sure y'all tune in to, I think I should be doing episode 10 for HBCU vlog, but I'm filming this one this week. So the HBCU vlog, I'm gonna be filming that one next week. So after this one is uploaded, look forward to the next HBCU vlog episode. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.